Are you excited to unbox Zaid? Ha? Sige. Open. Open. You know how to open? Sige, try to open, be. How to open? What you need? You need scissors. Here. Be, Mama will help you. Mama will help you. Oh, there. Put it there. Oh, okay, 1. Slowly. It will break. Oh my gosh. Slowly, 2. Count. And this is the big one. Slowly. Oh, nice. Oh, it's heavy and thick. It's nice. Next, the smaller one. Oh, for frying. Other one. Oh, slowly. Oh my gosh. Slowly, Zaid. Slowly, the small cover. Next. Smaller cover also. I mean glass lid. Put it there. Slowly. This is the big one. The biggest one. Oh, here. Very big. Oh my gosh. Slowly, Zaid. Finished. Oh, get inside the box. Get inside the box na. Zaydo will get inside the box. Oh. His favorite part. Mama and Zaydo will hide. No, it's very small. It's only for Zaid. This is the purpose of the new cookware set for cooking the toys of Zaid. Come here, we're still doing the unboxing, Zaid. Why are you there? Oh, wait. Go. Oh, the dog, yes. Up. Oh, yes. Up. Oh. Sit down first. Sit down. Go there, babe. Go there, babe. Go. Down. Mama will open the biggest box. Okay?
This one, dinosaur.
Dinosaur? Inside this one is dinosaur?
This one, dinosaur.
Dinosaur, where are you?
Dinosaur.
Oh, dinosaur. Wait.
Look.
What's inside the box?
Daddy,
Huh?
the box.
This is the manual. Inside is... Let me see. Okay, Mama will pull. Oh my gosh. A bit hard. This one. Check. Oh, wait. Do not destroy it. So Mama will open. Oh. The sewing machine. Mama will send it to Philippines. Okay? For your grandmother. For your grandma. Because she likes sewing. All of our sewing machine in Philippines are already gone. So Mama is buying new one. What? This is not, you don't know this one. You don't know how to use the sewing machine. It's not, this is not for Zaid. We'll put it back inside the box, okay?
Let's go back. That's the
Sewing machine.
coat.
Oh, Zaid, you receive a delivery? Huh? Give me. Is this Mama's order? What's inside? Go get it.
Car.
Huh?
Car.
No car? It's Mama's sunblock. Dark spot. No cars. It's not happy, Mama. No car. He said. He put it down.